Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope it's a wonderful day today. In this video we're talking about ChargePoint stock. I made a video about it and it went up extremely well. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also feel free to like this video. Some of those guys are large ones, so we're going to learn investing in finance. Look at this, it's trading around $29.84, currently up 12% on a day, and you can see in the after hours they're up nearly 3.1%. Look at the price action today to around $30.50. Then it sold off, and then throughout the day it just went up. It went down from $21 straight up to $29, nearly $30. I do think they're going to go above the $40 mark. I'm really excited to see what the stock is going to do. So if you bought it at $20, you would have been up 45% today. So that's really good. So I made a video about this yesterday. I told you guys to buy the stock at 26 or 25, and it ran up huge since then. For this one I have two scenarios. So the first one is a long-term scenario. Let's say you invest for long-term. Buying at this price, you're going to do well in the long term. So the short-term scenario would be you wait for a pullback. I do think it's going to go up. We can see that it's looking really bullish right now. So how would I invest $1,000 in the stock? I'll just invest my whole $1,000 no matter the price, because really this long term. Long term I see this going to way above $50. I would only recommend waiting for a pullback if you guys in this for the short term. If you care about the short term gains. If you guys care about the long term, don't risk time in the market. Just invest how much you can. You need to know if you care about the short term gains or the long term gains. So yeah. So according to some analysts, they have an average price of $39. So they're nearly at their price target. Really good. I do think they're going to surpass this really soon. The high of $46, and they have a low of $28, which is past that point. 3 buys, 1 holds, and 0 sells. So it's looking good so far. So before in the video, I'm just going to talk about one stock that you should consider buying. This is Biogenomics, ticker symbol BNGO. So I've talked about this many times. Currently down 3.09% on a day. So today wasn't a good day for the stock. So it just went down. It went from $15 all the way down to $5.67. So now would be a great time. So on Monday, I put my whole $1,000, no matter the price. We're down more than 50% from its highs. And one more stock I would recommend is SKLZ. It's down 1.52% on a day. It went from $20 today to around $18.40ish. So the low was $18.40. If this shot's below $18, load up on the stock. This is set to double. If you guys are currently in it, consider averaging down. If you guys are not in it, just buy how much you can afford. It went from $45 down to below $18, right down there. So now would be a great time. So if you don't have this cheap stock, consider buying. We'll talk on ChargePoint. Just a general update on their stock price action in the past few days. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also feel free to like this video. Some of those guys are large ones, so we're all going to learn investing in finance.